Having enough cash to last to and through retirement is one of the major challenges facing today's seniors. A reverse mortgage is a safe way to help senior homeowners improve their cash flow while allowing them to better age in place in their own home. With a reverse mortgage, seniors can tap into the equity in their home in a variety of ways that best suit their individual circumstances and needs. For example, they could take a lump sum payout at closing to spend it in any way they choose. They could also choose to receive a liquid, growing line of credit that allows any unused balance to grow at the same rate as the loan balance, and the amount of the credit line increases when any payments are made. These tax-free funds in the line of credit can grow substantially over time, and the homeowners will only accrue charges on whatever funds they have borrowed. Also, this line of credit cannot be capped, reduced, or eliminated because of market conditions or declines in property value. To find out more about how a reverse mortgage can improve your cash flow in retirement, call us today.